Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's been long and overdue, but I'm here starting a new series. It's going to be tarot card readings. So I'm going to be diving into different types of energy that I've learned from kind of studying some of the cards and reading some books. I want to keep it as simple as possible. I want to keep it as motivating as possible. And I also want to keep it as pure as far as it goes with my intentions on reading the cards, because that's just what I want to do for myself and for my channel. So what I'm going to be doing is just a simple card layout. I'm going to be rolling the dice to pick the zodiac sign that I'll be doing the reading for, and then as well rolling the dice to see how many times I should shuffle the energy of the cards, and then we'll just go from there. So now that we've gotten that out of the way, let's just go ahead and jump into the first reading. All right, Spirit, who do you want us to channel a message for? Who? All right, so we got Leo and we got 7 shuffles. On the bottom of the deck, we do have the 7 of Cups. We rolled a 7 to shuffle the energy for Leo, so let's see what the first 3 cards are going to give us. As well, at the end of the video, I do want to do an affirmation card for all of the Leos to resonate on throughout the day or week or however they see fit. But yeah, let's just go ahead and jump into the energy of the cards. All right. So the first card we have is the Magician. All right, Leo. So the first card that we have for you is the Magician. The Magician is basically a manifester. It's the beginning stages of manifesting something. So that could be where you're at. You're wanting to create a new life, a new relationship, a new job opportunity, a new place to live. You're in an energy of wanting to create something better for yourself. Now, you are a conductor of energy. The energy comes from the divine, and it is channeled through you in order for you to create a reality within this current world. In order to create a current reality within this world, you have to be able to channel your emotions, your desires, your wisdom, and also still be in tune with the nature of this world and this earth. So if you put all of those together, then you're able to create whatever it is that you're looking to bring into your life. We're going to go ahead and flip over the next card. All right. So whatever it is that you're looking to create could probably be helping you to get over a situation or some type of problem or conflict that you're just above right now, but you're wanting to be more than above this conflict. You are wanting to rid the conflict of any way or any means necessary. You could be observing other people that are manifesting and wanting to know how they are doing it so well. So you could be studying them. All right. So with this Page of Swords, you also just want to be careful to not make any quick decisions that could potentially hurt you in the long run. Like, make sure that you study and see all your decisions through carefully before just jumping head into anything that's going on in your life right now. All right, so the Nine of Wands. All right, so with the Nine of Wands, it looks like you've been putting up a fight for quite some time, and it's starting to bear a toll on you. However, you're within your strength and you are very strong right now. You're very alert right now. You are pretty much in the energy of waiting on something to happen just so that you can defeat whatever it is that's coming your way. But at the same time, this could be a negative pattern, a negative way of thinking, a negative way of reacting. So you might want to go ahead and take a deeper look within to see what is causing you to constantly be in a position or predicaments to where you always have to fight. Even if you are winning, it doesn't necessarily mean that that's going to be something that's good for your overall conscience and health. So Leo, that is pretty much what I'm picking up. You have the Nine of Wands, the Page of Swords, and the Magician. So it looks like you're probably ready to create a life to where you are not having to fight as hard as what you are accustomed to fighting to. You're in the beginning stages of manifesting this new reality for yourself. So you're just kind of looking at other people that's doing it. You're really trying to stay above your problems so that they don't defeat you, in which you had great success in doing so, because that Nine of Wands is someone who's taken a lot of fights and who's won the majority of them, even if they have wounded them. So that's pretty much the energy I have for you today, Leo. I am going to go ahead and give you a glimpse of the cards and let you see them as well. Before we go ahead and end the video, I do want to do a mindful collective daily affirmation with you as well, just to give hopefully something positive for you to think on throughout the day. So let's see what we have here. All right. So the daily affirmation I have for you today, Leo, is it's always the right time to start. It's always the right time to start. It's always the right time to start. So it looks like you're ready to start on something. You're ready to give up some old patterns and habits and start on something new. So I'm hoping that whatever you're starting on within this new journey that you're getting ready to take, that it goes well for you. All right, so that is pretty much everything I have for you today, Leo. If this video resonated with you, be sure to go ahead and like it, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any further messages. See you in the next one. Bye.